I think control is a myth. We're never in control. The Bible says, many are the plans in a man's heart, but it's the Lord's plan that always prevails. Sabi sa Bible, I'm the Alpha and the Omega. So sometimes we make plans, akala natin tayo masusunod, but there's this verse in the Bible that says, and I always say this sa mga kaibigan ko politician, the horses are made ready for battle, but victory rests in the Lord. If you're a politician, do your part. Mangampanya ka ng legal at moral. Yung maayos, matinong pangangampanya, huwag kang mamili ng boto, huwag kang gumawa ng illegal at immoral, huwag kang overpromise, hindi mo naman kaya deliver. You do your part, magsipag ka, gumising ka na umaga, mangampanya ka hanggang gabi, you make your horses ready for battle, but ultimately, it's the Lord's plan that always prevails. I have friends na hindi nanalo nung last election, and I always tell them, maybe the Lord is teaching you something. Because sometimes the Lord is more concerned in changing your heart more than your circumstances. Baka si Lord gusto mo lang ayusin yung puso mo to trust more in Him, to love Him. Kasi sometimes akala natin, position will give us an opportunity to serve. Mother Teresa doesn't have a position, and yet she's well known in terms of serving the public.
That's right.
I don't think you need a position to serve the public. I know a lot of people, walang position, nameless, faceless, and yet doing a lot of things in serving the poor and the needy. So I think yung sinabi mong read, analyze, and pray, it takes a lot of wisdom also to study yung past accomplishment ng tao. Lahat naman yung public document eh. Makikita mo sa Senate,
Lalo
sa
ngayon, no?
Lalo na ngayon. Available lahat yan eh. And also, tingnan mo rin yung pamilya, yung how he live his life. The proof is in the pudding kasi eh. Does he manage his family well? So I think yung RAP mo is a good parang barometer. Aralin ko nga yung buhay ng tao na to. Iboboto ko to eh. Ano ba yung mga sinabi niya? Ano ba yung mga plataforma niya? Saka tingnan mo rin yung past buhay niya. Kasi meron akong mga nakita, parang out of the blue, passionate na sa mahihirap. Ang tagal na kitang kilala, nakita kita TV personality. Parang, is that an overnight thing na out of the blue ngayon, parang nakikisalamuha ka na, nakakamay ka na kumakain. Kaya titingnan mo rin, if you're a voter, Lord, bigyan mo ko ng discernment. Kasi iboboto ko to, I'll be accountable din pag niluklok ko to. Kaya sabi rin sa Biblia, yung be wise, be discerning.